천진 나만 청순 가련 새침한 척 이젠 지쳤나 내게 미안하지만 I'm not sorry 오늘부터 나 Bitch 나는 solo
It looks so like winter wonderland out here. I actually came out here because the kids are like jumping on top of me. They want to like film their own intro, so I had to, you know, escape. So this is my first solo trip in like years. Like I have not traveled by myself in so long, so I'm so excited to be home. So I flew in yesterday, Wednesday, and so all day yesterday I was just visiting with my family. Like guys, I was so like jet lagged yesterday. I was so tired, and so yeah, I was just visiting and just like eating with my family. And so today is Thanksgiving, so today our family's coming over. Yeah, we're gonna eat. We're probably gonna go Black Friday shopping later. I am so ready to eat some freaking turkey. Like guys, I have not had Thanksgiving dinner in a long time. If you guys enjoy the shenanigans in this video, the kids are gonna be really active in this video. They wanna help out. I'm a good auntie, so I'm gonna let them, you know, like have their show. So what's today? What are we doing today?
We're doing sick. We're doing something. Grandma's cooking pie.
It's Thanksgiving.
Yeah. She's so cool. She can do every single thing. She puts makeup on. We're gonna have another video every day. We're still gonna have our videos every single day.
Do a cartwheel, woo! Okay, what are you gonna do, King? Oh my gosh.
I am Uncle Benny. I am Uncle Benny. I am.
He's not here.
Uncle Benny.
You're showing them? This is our house?
Yeah. Okay. This is our couches and our little tree. This is supposed to go outside, but we put it here. I'm gonna show you guys our Christmas tree because Grandma said we got Thanksgiving before Christmas. I mean
We got Christmas before Thanksgiving.
So here's one. So we got this one, but we need a star on the top and it lights up.
And we have another tree right here. So it's by the door. So
that's I lit up our tree. So yeah, this is our Christmas tree, and we helped our grandma decorate. Okay, I'm gonna show you our other Christmas tree.
yeah, our other Christmas tree is all the way down here.
So we decorated by ourselves, all ourselves. So.
Oh, that looks like a nice Christmas tree.
Yeah, it is. We have flowers on it. See the flowers? I can't remember that.
Okay, should we just say amen and eat then?
Yeah.
All right.
No, it's great.
No, that was too short.
For food in
I don't want that. I don't want that one.
Amen.
Okay, let's eat. Grandma cooked hard today.
Thanks, Grandma.
Yeah, thanks, Grandma. Hello everyone, welcome back. Hey, back to my video. Subscribe. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Subscribe.
Leave a like. Doing Black Friday shopping at Walmart.
Up in style.
What do I look like? What do you mean?
No, you're wearing a Gucci freaking shades. That's why.
They're not Gucci.
Honey, black on black?
They're Versace. Come corrected, I don't come at all.
What are we getting?
We're getting a shake and tea at Plaza Nutrition at the City Plaza. It's gonna be the bomb diggity.
Nay. Okay. Outcast.
No, I wasn't outcast when I was like in middle school.
Yeah, you were. No, when I first met you, you were very like, I don't want to say you were geeky, but you're just like awkward. Like,
Everyone doesn't believe that though, because they just think of high school Brittany. The one who
high school Brittany was a bitch.
I wasn't a bitch. I just said it like it is. If you can't handle the truth, get out the kitchen. I still see your shadows in my room.
My tongue's red.
We're fucked.
Oh my god. My name's Selena.
Look, I'm the one that plays the drums.
Her name's Suzette. You know Selena's sister's name? No, it's this actually. What is that again? A xylophone? I'm like,
What is this?
will my feet fit in these?
Can't even get your foot in a stirrup.
No, I can't do it. We got the ring light here.
You can like adjust it so it's like super bright or super low.
We should take like selfies with this.
I do.
I'm gonna give you guys a tour of you know, my room. We're doing a room tour right now.
Room tour.
Chanel, Coco Chanel. Here we go.
Yeah, and here's my Versace.
And then my key sunglasses. I collect all of them.
My Kim Kardashian West. My Kylie Jenner lip kits. Also, this is my case for my Versace sunglasses. Hi, this is Gustav Emiliano. Omen. Say hi to the camera. So what we do, because we're kind of ghetto over here, this is what we use to start it, which is a magnet that goes on a fridge. Click it on there.
And it just pops right on.
Gosh, just like a brisk walk. And then when I'm getting kind of hot and the fan's not working, I use my Evian spray, and I just spray myself. Super enjoyable.
How do you go fast? Do you run fast?
Oh, honey, we don't run to this house. If I do decide to run fast, maybe
Oh my god.
and that's how it's done. What was that?
He only want me when I'm not there. He better call Becky with the good hair. He better call Becky with the good hair.
I don't want your man, cause I got it like that, but it ain't even gotta be like that. Your man.
Remember when I
Deep down. Are you recording me? Mind you, she's sober. There's like a shot. Maybe. Oh my god, your bun! Oh my god, I just dropped my bun. Oh my god.